When you upgrade Windows 10, you will see Windows.Old Folder created. And if you want to know how much size it occupies, click on Properties. For me, it occupies around 12.8 GB of my hard disk space. But remember, do not directly delete this folder. Instead, go to your system drive, click on Properties, then go to Disk Cleanup. Click on Clean up System Files. Please be patient. Please wait for some time. And now scroll down and you will see temporary Windows installation files. And it's around 907 MB. Check that. And you will see previous Windows installation, which is around 14.8 GB. Okay, check that again. And press OK. Delete files. And the Disk Cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Click Yes, and the Disk Cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. Be patient because it takes some time to clean up those files. Then click OK, and then refresh the computer. You will notice the size difference in your system drive. And now the Windows.Old folder is deleted. Okay, that's it for today. And if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share.